This is John here to give you the current weather that's going on right now and to go over the weather for the next couple days. And I will also talk about the tropical wave that everybody's been wondering what's going to happen with this. It is currently in um, Dominican Republic and Haiti, and the models still are going back and forth with this, but it seems that it will go up the west coast of Florida per the latest trends. So I will speak heavily about that and what impacts it will have to Florida. So right now we currently have a severe thunderstorm watch. Do this in blue here in Kentucky and portions of West Virginia through this evening. 70-mile-an-hour winds is pretty much the primary hazard, and maybe quarter-size hail. The tornado risk, I believe, will be lower tonight than it was yesterday when we had the big bow echo that went through Lincoln, Nebraska and Omaha, Nebraska this time last night. So that's not what I wanted. I wanted to get up here. Okay. So right now we have a broken line of showers and thunderstorms working through Kentucky as we speak. There's not many warnings with these. There's a warning here and a warning here, and I think they're for 60-mile-an-hour winds. Let me check. Yeah, 60-mile-an-hour winds. So these have been relatively behaving themselves. I mean, there are some scattered damage reports here. I'll go over a couple of them with you. Here's one 4 miles south of Tyrone, Kentucky, in Anderson County. Trees down along Gilbert's Creek Road in eastern Anderson County. Again, 911 call center. Do not call 911 if it's not a true emergency. Trees down on a road is not an emergency. 3 miles northwest of Mansville, Kentucky, in Taylor County, reported by emergency manager. Trees and power lines down on Spurlington Road in northeastern Taylor County. There's also in the Louisville area, 1 mile southwest of Jeffersontown, Kentucky, in Jefferson County. Excuse me. By a train spotter, a large tree fell onto a garage in Jeffersontown and was tangled in power lines. So that's a mess there. And also here in 1 mile west of St. Matthews, Kentucky, in Jefferson County, trees down near the intersection of Breckenridge Lane and Grandview Avenue in St. Matthews. So there's a handful of wind damage that has occurred with this line of showers and thunderstorms, but it looks to be on the weak side as it continues to move east. It does have a bow feature to it, but we have storms that are in front of these. That's probably going to get absorbed into the full line. So again, the greatest threat will be wind and possibly some hail. Tornado risk is down for today for that reason. We also have showers and thunderstorms here in Wisconsin. And there was a big cell over Myrtle Beach earlier this afternoon, which has caused quarter-size hail to fall in Sockasty in the Myrtle Beach area. As we continue to the Central Plains and the Southern Plains, we have showers and thunderstorms here in New Mexico and Panhandle of Texas, with a report of quarter-size hail. There's a report of 60-plus mile-an-hour winds. There's only a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings with this low pressure that's going to ride this front up. So that's what's going on in the plains. Now we move to the west, and there is not much going on except for some showers and thunderstorms here in Arizona, which are widely scattered. So we'll zoom back out, and we will go over the SPC outlooks for the next couple days. So tomorrow, there is a marginal risk of severe weather from the Mid-Atlantic back to Indiana, down into the Mid-South and into the Southeast. The main risk will be wind in that marginal area. For Saturday, there is a marginal risk in a couple of areas. Here along the Mid-Atlantic and Southeast coast, and here into North and South Dakota and Minnesota. They will be driven by, well, actually, there is 5% chance of significant severe weather in those locations. Here in the upper Midwest or northern plains, and here along the East Coast. So that is the weather for the next couple of days. Now, everybody's wondering about this wave that is currently down here in Haiti and Dominican Republic, and where it's going to go. So let me get my things right here. So we will go here. We'll go here. We'll do the H-Wharf model here. So that'll be 97L, which is right here. So your general center is right here between Dominican Republic and Haiti along the country border. Okay. That's as of 5 o'clock. So, and the new run is coming. So we will use the 12Z run from earlier today. So, and then we'll move it up to current time now. So here we are, current time. Center is somewhere along the Haiti Dominican Republic border. We're going to progress one full day ahead, so 24. So this is where the position will be tomorrow, which will be nearing Cuba tomorrow at in the afternoon, and then Saturday it will be north of Cuba, between Cuba and the hi Victor, hi Karen, welcome to the live stream. We are so this wave will enter between Cuba and the Florida Keys Saturday afternoon. Now, we had models from this point go through South Florida, ride the west coast of Florida. So with this particular run of the H wharf, we have a strengthening storm here in the Gulf of Mexico, west of the Florida coast. Okay, and that's as of the 4th, which would be Monday. And then Tuesday, making landfall around Panama City along the Florida Panhandle. So that's the H wharf. I'm going to show you the GFS for this same thing. Go back down here into Haiti and Dominican Republic. So this is about where it is right now. Okay. Basically, your weather is not all the way around. It's a elongated line of showers and thunderstorms that are going through Dominican Republic and Haiti at this time. We will step forward one whole day to tomorrow, where it will be tomorrow afternoon. The wave will be in Cuba. Okay? It has Dominican Republic and Haiti has higher terrain. So with the higher terrain, it's going to struggle for a long time, especially going through Cuba. Now, as we go into Saturday, this latest run of the model has it somewhere in here. It could be on the east coast of Florida. It could be on the west coast of Florida. But on this run, it's showing more on the east side of Florida. We had the GFS go on this side of Florida, and now it's starting to move back across into South Florida now. As we go into Sunday, Okay. Now it's showing a better depiction of it here off the east coast of Florida now. Okay, which means the Atlantic side of Florida will probably be experiencing storm surge and heavy rain along the coast, if this is correct. So that's Monday. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's Sunday. So this is going into Monday now. And now it pretty much takes off to the north and east. So it goes kind of like up this way and then abruptly turns to the north and east. And along the southeast coast now, which will be about a couple 300 miles east of South Carolina. And this is as of the latest run, the 18Z run of the GFS, for those of you that are watching. So this is new. GFS had a storm that would pretty much go up this way, kind of go through Florida, emerge out here, and continue this path right where it is. But now it's kind of going like this along the Atlantic coast of Florida. So everything's not etched in stone yet. I mean, we're getting close, but still have differences in the models. And then this will be Wednesday of next week, and it has a formidable storm here off the Carolinas, which means Carolinas will probably get some squally weather, some heavy rain and some gusty winds as this passes by to the east. Hi, Serene from United Kingdom. Welcome to the live stream. And then this will be 1 week from today. As it shows, it doesn't move much. It stays in the same area with impacts along the coast of the Carolinas. Storm surge will probably be more worrisome up this way along the Carolinas, or especially North Carolina. And then heavy rain will be from, north of Jacksonville back towards Florence and back down between Charleston and Myrtle Beach. So that'll be your wind field. So it'll be breezy along with heavy rain. As we go into next Friday, now it's showing getting close to Wilmington, North Carolina, which means the impacts start to get higher along the northern end where the winds are coming onshore. And then we have a blowout tide going the other way along the South Carolina coast. Again, heavy rain all in that area for the Carolinas. And then as we go into next weekend, this shows it coming ashore around Wilmington, um, with um, with rain wrapping back around and coming around this way towards Charleston. So heavy rain will be all in this area here. Your tornado threat would be in this area here. So that is what the GFS is showing. I will show you the Euro and show you what that shows. Again, we go down to here to, so this is the latest run. So this goes out to 240 hours. Okay. So this is the latest run. So we go to 5 o'clock. So right now, this is your wave right here. But also comes through Dominican Republic and Haiti. It looks like most of the weather will be north by the Euro. As we go into tomorrow, the wave will be over the Bahamas by tomorrow, but some of it will be in Cuba. So Saturday, here is basically the tropical wave approaching the South Florida coast. So this one has a different solution than the GFS. We go into Sunday. Okay. Now, basically, a tropical wave all in Florida. This is your tropical wave. So all will be heavy rain with possible flooding in Florida. So we go to Monday, and now there's nothing left of the tropical wave. It's kind of in here along the southeast coast, but it looks like it's breaking apart because it's not congealed together. It has two pieces to it. And then we go to Tuesday. And then all of a sudden, we got this tropical wave in here in the Carolinas through Georgia and North Florida. And then this starts to refire again off the coast of the Carolinas. I mean, that's different than what it has been showing. It has showing it kind of strengthening off the southeast coast. And then, this will be a week from today. You got tropical moisture here in Georgia and South Carolina. Oh, I moved the camera. Okay, so there's tropical moisture here in the southeast. We got this piece out here in the Atlantic. Then as we go into next Friday, it looks like it's all congealed into the Carolinas. So the GFS has switched to the eastern Florida route, which the Euro has been pegging the whole way. The question will be, how strong will it get when it gets up to this point? If it will strengthen at all, or it will be a full-fledged hurricane and might meander for a couple days and then drift inland. Those questions are hard to answer at this point because models are still going back and forth with this tropical wave that's currently in Hispaniola. So with that, that is all I have for this evening. I hope everyone has a wonderful night, and I will talk to you again soon.